Why does the kitchen smell like old fruit?
That, my dear Rohan, is my magic potion. It's called a bioenzyme. It's a super cleaner made from leftover fruit peels, jaggery, and water.
A cleaner from old peels? How?
It's all thanks to tiny, invisible helpers called microbes. We give them the sugar from the jaggery and the peels to eat. As they feast, they release special things called enzymes that can break down dirt and grime.
So, it's like having a tiny army of cleaners? Can we make some more?
Of course! The magic recipe is simple. We need 1 part jaggery, 3 parts citrus peels, and 10 parts water.
First the jaggery, then the peels, and finally the water.
Now for the most important part, patience. We have to let our microbe friends work their magic for 3 whole months.
We'll open the cap every day for the first month to let out the gas they make.
3 months later,
Time to put our cleaning army to the test.
Let's clean the windows until they shine. Mop the floors until they gleamed.
Let's spray some on my plants to keep the pests away.
Who knew that smelly old fruit peels could hold such powerful, earth-friendly magic?